looking at?
Babe.
What?
What's my phone at home?
I thought you carried your phone.
No. God. You know what? Let me quickly bring my phone. Just keep going. I'll catch up.
Hey, let me come with you now.
No, if we go together, we're already late. We're going to sluggishly walk to the house. But if I go alone, I'll run. No, keep going. I'll meet up with you.
Be fast,
though. Okay. Or would you wait for me?
Don't worry. Let me keep walking.
Okay.
Be fast, though.
Okay. Hey. Okay, so I'm sorry about that stunt that I pulled. Okay, I had to just get your attention, so I had to come up with this plan.
You have mine, dude. You even gave me your iPhone.
Come on now, I've been seeing you around the neighborhood. I know you.
Really?
It's just that you're not been paying attention enough to see my green lights.
So?
Okay, so I'd like to have your number and I'd like us to talk.
My number?
Yes.
I just saw you with a lady. Is she not your girlfriend?
Yes. But come on now, who goes to buy a new shoe barefooted?
Wow, it means you're a bad boy, you.
Well, you can call me that.
I love bad boys and I would like to roll with you.
Can say that again. So let me start by introducing myself. My name is Papa Mavi, but my friends call me Papi. So you can call me Papi.
Well, I'm Zini. But you can call me Zini, baby.
I love that. Zini, baby.
Thank you.
I like to hear that name when I'm spanking.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Okay, so can I have your number?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. You smell very nice. And I like your fragrance.
Okay.
You're welcome. I thank you. Sorry, I have to catch up with her before I eat you up.
Oh. All right, see you then.
All right, see you.
Okay, just call me.
All right. Hey.
What kept you so long now?
Sorry, my darling. When I go home, I was oppressed. So I needed to.
So you're good now?
Sorry.
That's good.
So I don't know. I was thinking of buying you bread and ice cream.
Prefer ice cream. Babe, I told you that your boyfriend's eye is not on the ground. That boy is not even ready to settle down with you. I mean,
why did you say that? Why do you think he's not ready to settle down with you?
You saw what happened. He gave me his phone and he collected my number.
And so? And so what? He hasn't even called you yet. I know my guy. Or has he called you? It's just one of those things guys do when they want to catch cruise.
Really?
Yes, so relax.
Please, let me take my call. Guess who is calling?
Are you serious?
Hello, Papi boy.
Hello, beautiful angel. How are you?
I'm good. I didn't know you were going to call me.
Why would I not call a beautiful angel like you?
Oh.
Let me tell you, from the very first day I set my eyes on you, it has been very impossible for me to sleep. I've told you, I want you. Come on. I want you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Wow. Really?
Yes. Can you just give me a chance? I want to hang out with you.
Hang out with me?
Yes.
What about your girlfriend? What excuse are you going to give her?
Come on, can we not talk about her? Okay, if you want to know. She's my girlfriend. I I can handle her. Allow me to do that.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Listen, let me even tell you, I'm not serious with her. I'm not.
Wow.
If this can work between both of us, I'll leave her before you know it.
Oh, papi
Let
boy.
me even tell you, I am in that relationship because of a few things that I gained. You're my spec, you're my kind of woman. When I saw you, I knew I'd seen my wife.
Wow. I like this. Well,
So I'm not in that relationship because of anything. I don't love her. I don't. It's you that I love.
why don't you tell her how you feel about her? I mean, let's just talk to her.
I don't understand.
Yeah, your girlfriend, she's right here with me. Just speak to her.
Right where? Right? Hello? Right where?
Mavi.
Aha!
He cuts the call.
Of course, he will cut the call. What do you expect? Hey! That he should keep talking to you? Hey! Babe, this guy has always been like this. This is his true self. You almost slapped me the other day because of this guy. Have you seen it? What a trust man. Babe, just calm down.
Get out of the house. Leave my house.
Please don't do this.
Leave my house. Leave my house.
Babe.
Leave my house. You two timing it here.
What's
Leave
going
my
on
house.
now?
Leave my house. I trusted you. Upon everything I've done for you.
Babe, don't do this. Babe, don't do this.
Do what? Leave my house.
I didn't cheat on you.
You didn't do what? My friend has been, you've been telling me all you've been doing. And I had to defend you. I told them it's not possible.
They are lying. They are
I told them it's not
lying.
possible. I had to set you up. And this is what I get.
Babe, whatever. I don't know what happened, but whatever you heard.
What was that?
Whatever you heard was a
Leave
lie.
my house. I heard you. I heard you come and play.
That was not me.
That was you. That was you.
Babe, they use AI. Babe, they use AI.
Which AI? Leave my house.
Babe, please now let me go
Leave
back
my
to bed.
house. Leave my house. I am done. Leave my house.
Babe.
Leave my house.
See,
You go around cheating on me and I refuse to believe it.
babe, I
Leave
did
my
not
house.
cheat on you. Babe, I did not
Leave
cheat
my house.
on you.
Leave my house. Imagine the things you said about me. So all along you've been using me for my money.
Babe, see.
You've been deceiving me.
Babe, don't forget. See, don't forget what we have been through. Don't forget all the good times.
Been through what?
Babe,
Did you appreciate it?
Babe,
Get out of there.
Babe.
Leave my house.
Babe.
Get out.
Babe, we're planning our marriage, babe.
What marriage?
We're planning our
That marriage kill you there.
Babe,
That marriage kill you there.
babe, don't let the devil do
All
this
along
to
you've
us.
been deceiving me.
God.
Using me for my money.
See,
Go and get it from them.
don't let the devil do this to us. See. Babe,
Thunder fire you.
babe, come. Babe, we are more than conquerors. Come, babe, come and open the. Oh, this kind of problem. Greed no go kill me. Oh, just keep quiet. Day what I've been doing, babe. Oh, mega. Babe, where do I go to now, babe?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.